Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to add Instagram feed to your Shopify store. And make sure to log in your Shopify store. Now, in the home page, click the apps and search for InstaFeed. Then after that, you have to install the InstaFeed. Click install, just tap install again. Now in here, we have to connect our Instagram to our Shopify. Just tap connect with Instagram button. And after that, you have to grant an access your Shopify to your Instagram. Just tap allow. Now in here, you can customize your Instagram feed by adding feed title or post on click. So it's up to you. If you want to add post spacing like small, so the format in here will add a space. Then the layout, you can also customize by making it slider or grid, and the format, so it's up to you. You can also add number of rows, like for example, we're increasing the number of rows. Then after that, once you're all settled with the design of your Instagram feed, just tap save feed. Then now let's go to our Shopify store. Now in your online store, just tap customize. Then at the left side navigation, just tap add section. Click apps, then select the InstaFeed app. And there you go. As you can see here, your Instagram feed has already been shown. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.